Hi and welcome to this video, which is going to be the renovation of this gel coat and this boat behind me. Now this boat itself is discoloured, so we're going to restore the colour on the gel coat and I'm going to seal it. We've got some IGL coatings to go on top of this boat once it's finished, especially adapted for gel coats to give it extra protection through salt water and fresh water. So we're going to install more gloss and protection to this. Now the way I'm going to do this is going to be using some Presta compounds. Every single Presta compound that they have is gel coat friendly. I'm hoping to get away with a mild compound first, so I'll be starting with an easy compound and hopefully that will restore the gloss without having to go to a more aggressive compound which will cause more refining or require more refining once we've done that initial stage. If it's a case of I have to go more aggressive, that's what I'll do, and I'll be using woolen heads in two sizes and various machines. I'll be showing all the equipment and the machines I use as the video goes through, and at the end you'll see everything that I use. I'm not going to pressure wash this, I'm going to use a steam cleaner. I want to keep the water to a minimum, especially when we're talking inside the boat itself. I don't want any water captured in there. The water will have to be blown out. I do not want any water leaking out onto this gel coat whilst the coating goes on, because that could cause me problems. So I want everything as dry as possible. So all the equipment will be on there, all the compounds I'll say which I've used. I will start with the ultra polish first. I'm confident that will do the trick, but if it's not giving desired results, I'll have to go to a more aggressive one, then refine afterwards. So keep watching the video. I'll show you exactly how I can restore this gel to a nice finish and protection throughout its life within the water. So for cleaning our vessel down, I'll be using an antibacterial chemical, an APC, all-purpose cleaner, and a steam cleaner. So the idea is we're going to clean off any bacteria or any water-based, moisture-based kind of contamination we have on the vessel, and hopefully prevent that coming back as well. Obviously, being a vessel, it's going to get wet and damp, and this is a bit of a problem, but we can only do the best that we can do, and that's the process that I'll be using to eradicate what's there at present. So here we are 24 hours on, and I'm really happy with the way the gel coat's come out from the polishing. Didn't go exactly how I expected it to. We've now got all the gel coat prepared for the coating. It's been sprayed down with isopropanol to remove all the oils and waxes that possibly be sitting from the cutting compounds on top. The idea was really to go with ultra polish. That was the idea with the green pad. If you check out the Presta range, have a look at the band across the top. That matches the exact head that's recommended for that compound, but I did play around with the heads to give me more mechanical cut with the pad, so I went more aggressive pad and used the ultra cut, which ultra polish, which was on the hull underneath, which wasn't too bad. Now the issues that I did get was on the gel here, where there were scratch marks, where I had to sand the gel down and aggressive compound to bring it up quicker, which I use ultra cutting compound. Check out at the end of the video, you'll see all the links to every single product that I used. I'll go through and tell you what did what. I used ultra cutting cream on, say, on the hard bits, on harsh bits that needed polishing back up. On the more difficult pieces around the boat, where there's things in the way or they are small areas, I went to a sponge head, a mini sponge head with a rotary polisher, and I used gel cut compound, which the gel cut compound, the Presta gel cut compound, is an all-in-one, but it gave me more cuts from the product itself, because with the sponge, as opposed to using the wool, you do not get the same amount of cut from the pad. So I use more aggressive compound rather than a lesser compound with a soft head. So So now we're on to our coating. Our gel's been prepared, it's ready for the coating. This product's been developed over the last 3 years and is specifically matched to go on to gel coats and the marine industry. This will enhance the shine we have on our gel coat and our boat. It'll protect it, and for the finer people who want to more speed out their boats, a polished hull and a polished boat goes faster than a non-polished boat. So we've got speed, durability and finish.